What was the beef we had last night?
Sie Reuboh.
Yeah, that's been my favorite, I think. Okay.
What is your favorite food?
So what was the beef we had last night?
Sie Reuboh.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. So we had dinner with a food blogger last night, but that's been my favorite, I think.
You have tried timpan?
It's one of the desserts that is wrapped up last night.
Oh yeah, the with the
wrapped in,
egg
banana.
yolk and yeah, I had that, and the red cake was good.
Red cake.
The velvet.
Kayak bolu gitu yang kukus, yang warnanya merah itu.
And I had mee Aceh
Mie Aceh.
yesterday, which was good. I like that. So those are my favorite. Yeah.
So what your favorite place to visit?
So I've spent a lot of time in meeting rooms.
Oh.
So you don't have
So, but yesterday we went to the mosque.
Oh, Baitur Rahman.
Yeah, the Grand Mosque, which was very beautiful. And so that was a very special place, I thought. And then I very much enjoyed meeting the Wali, the spiritual
Wali Nanggu.
Oh.
Wali Dangro, yeah. So I met him, and he has a beautiful meeting area and home. And we drove to some communities outside Banda Aceh, and the scenery with the rice paddies and the mountains, very, very beautiful.
So you have entered Museum Serambi?
Yes, I went there too. Yeah, so that was very meaningful place to visit, to learn more details about the tragedy.
So is the last question.
Yeah.
What is your beautiful memory while being here?
So I wouldn't say there's one beautiful memory. There are many, and I think it's really how welcoming and warm the people are. I have great admiration for the people of Aceh. Especially following a tragedy like the tsunami, to rebuild and to move on and to look forward is very impressive. And so I found everyone is very, very warm and welcoming and have made us feel at home. And of course, there's a great deal of pride in Aceh and being from Aceh, which is also very special, I think.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.